Hello people from YouTube. This is my horses that won in some of the events. We got Travel and Warhammer and Reckless and Neville. Neville, I think, or I think you know who he is. And then we got Joey that won first place and fourth place, I guess. Fourth place. And fourth place and fifth place. And then we got this horse. I think his name is Lucid Glory. He got second place and fourth place. And then we got Lincoln's horse that won third place. And then we have Bonnie Fly that won fifth place. Well, from Weather Dempsey, of course. The gold one. We got Acorn that won, if you people look, third place. Then we got Sea Visit that won third place. And then 11th place. Then we got 5th place for Doctor Who. And then another one. 6th place. 8th place. And a town wedding. Or may I have another got 4th place. And Royal Delta over there got this place, 4th place. And then Gunny won this one and got a callback after that. And then this one, Gunny, won this one. And then that's pretty much it. That I wish I would have shown the other horse over there, but I never got a chance to. But these are the horses that won. Okay? And here's some new horses that I have. Christmas horses and so on. I will be doing a Christmas special and Thanksgiving one. So I'll be doing a bunch of videos for you people. Alright? When Christmas time comes. So expect a Thanksgiving one and a Christmas one special. Made by breyer Lewis. Alright? So expect it to be coming sometime soon. Okay? Okay people from YouTube. Bye bye.